Okay, back with the Gino's Gem. This one's a simple, but need to know contingent order. Contingent order. What is a contingent order? And it's very important to do this. And by the way, if you're brand new, you don't want to miss out on using these because these make life easy. They really do. Let me show what I mean by that. With the contingent order, let's say I have a breakout point at 110 on LW here, which is looking pretty tasty right now. I don't want to enter this trade until it breaks 110. So you can see here I have 110.06. Little breakout play, very popular setup. We have these all the time at tackletrading.com. You know, we have our breakout points, but how do you enter that trade? These are great whether you're practicing it or you're just, you're professional, but there's certain kind of orders. I want to get this trade after it gets above 110. So I'm just going to go 110.06 just to throw a random number out there. So you come in and trade on your broker, but they're all very similar. You can go in there and hit the ask. And if I was going to buy, let's say 250 shares, I'd put 110 in here, 0.06 as my trigger point. I don't want to buy it till it hits 110.06. And here's where the Gino Gem comes in, is there's always this thing, don't mess up. Is it a limit order? Is it a stop order? Is there a trigger point? Which one of these things do I use? There's a lot of choices here. And by the way, I see professionals, even myself, making this mistake sometimes. If you put limit, guess what? It will buy that right now because it's below. You're doing a buy order below your trigger point. I do not want to buy it below my trigger point. I want to buy it when it gets above that. I want to see it clear and go into new territory. So two things to do. I can use a stop order and I pick how long, usually good till cancel, and let it sit out there, And if I confirm and send and put it in there, you can see what that looks like. See right there? There's my trigger. But sometimes it's easier, instead of giving your brain all that work in the morning, just hit the ask or, your order, put in your quantity. You could come in here and change this to market, which means buy right now, but not till it triggers. And this is the gem. Right over here, or in your broker, you can look for what's called a contingent or a condition. When I click that little cog wheel, it brings up my order rules. Here's my buy the stock order. Then down here, you just tell it when. When LW mark, that's the price it's trading at, or mid. And then pointing to the right is greater than me. I mean, it has to clear 110.06. So what that means is it's easy. I don't need to know limit. I don't need to know stop. All I need to know is, do I want it to go above or below? So I want it to go above 110. That's it. That's it. I just want, once it goes to, then jump me in that market, as many shares as I want. I hit save. And of course, I'm going to make this good till cancel because it's going to be contingent until I cancel it. Confirm and send, read it out loud. I always read things out loud to slow myself down from making mistakes. Buy 250 LW, market good till cancel. And here it is right here. Order conditions is contingent upon LW mark at or above 110.06. Now, when I put that in, you go to your chart. There it is right there. Buy, same thing. So it's going to be right around top of the price, but it's not going to buy it till it clears that. That's the gem for this week. The next video, I'll show you how to automatically come in here and do what's called a opposite order with those brackets. So you can put your stop loss at the same time. So stay tuned for that video. This is Gino's Gem.